this is Mark with Right Line Trading. This is our evening newsletter, starting with this disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities that we provide both orally, written, or electronically are for educational and demonstration purposes only. The company doesn't take responsibility for any profits or losses that may be incurred by traders. Everyone should understand that trading is risky, and that it should be understood that a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Therefore, participation in the market is not appropriate for everyone. Never trade what you can't afford to lose, and always carefully consider your financial position prior to taking a trade. I thought we would take a little bit of an in-depth look at Tesla this evening, and just find out how it became such an overvalued equity. And looking at the metrics based on the S&P 500, fair value for Tesla is considered to be about $388 to $390 per share. You can see it's traded as high as $900 per share. Anytime shorts anticipated this was going to roll over, they got smacked upside their head, so to speak. Always buy an upside catalyst. And let's go over those catalysts. Now, right here on August 11th, Tesla announced that it was going to do a 5-for-1 stock split, which became effective on 8/28. Now, that really... Now, some traders thought that was going to act as a downside catalyst. Instead, it moved the stock up from about 300 to into the $500 range right here. Then on 11/20, it was announced that I get my dates right. Then on November 30th, it was announced that it was going to be added to the S&P 500. And that would have been right about here, 11:30. Now, it was actually added on 11:30, but the announcement was made on 11:20. So announced into the S&P, actually inducted into the S&P, and we see that Tesla just took off. Now, in this range here, what we have is, we call it panic buying. And these are the retail traders who have significant FOMO, who always buy at the top. And it's called fear of missing out. Tesla's made an enormous move up, and those are always the last traders into the move. The ones that trade into the high and push the equity far in excess over its fair market value. Now, Tesla fell once right into the 540 zone, rebounded, and now it's coming right back into that 540 zone. Now, this is the critical area for Tesla, right here at 540. If it holds, we could see a bounce. If it breaks, we could see a move down all the way into the upper 300s. So we could see an enormous move down. So this is really, so to speak, the moment of truth for Tesla. And 540 is the critical number. If it holds, we'll see more upside. If it breaks, we're going to see probably $100 or more move to the downside. Let's watch closely tomorrow, because if we get a clean 540 break, we may have the opportunity for a very, very nice short trade. The scanner has already started firing a short. The gear is locked short at 0, telling us we have tremendous selling power. And the multi-time frame alignment and trend is to the downside. Our C2, which is a component of momentum and chop, is to the downside, 50 and 15 to the downside. We may see that 540 level break tomorrow. So let's see if we can get a great trading opportunity, as I had said. Everyone have a really wonderful evening, and I look forward to talking with you tomorrow.